Good morning, 8th class students. Today we will discuss about some important result of base and exponent. Important results of base and exponent chapter. So as we already discussed the base and exponent, there are some important result which we need very useful in our daily life to solve the questions like this number one as a raised to power m into a raised to power n means bases are same and powers different. We can take it example. First we will complete this identity a raised to power m into a raised to power n. We can write it as a raised to power m plus n. Let us take an example. Let us take an example. 2 raised to power 3 into 2 raised to power 4 means a raised to power m into a raised to power n. We can write it as a raised to power m plus n. So we can write it as 3 plus 4 7. And second result is a raised to power m and whole power n. It can be written as a raised to power m multiply n. Let us take an example. 2 raised to power 3 whole power 4. We can write it as this is m and this is n. And a raised to power m whole power n, we can write it as a raised to power m multiply n. And 2 raised to power 3 into 4, we can write it as 2 raised to power 3 4 ja 12. And next result is if a raised to power m over a raised to power n, and we can write it as a raised to power m minus n means a raised to power m over a raised to power n implies base is common a and power denominator power n which is subtracted from numerator power. So a raised to power m minus n, we can write it as by taking an example. Let 3 raised to power 4 over 3 raised to power 2, it can be written as 3 raised to power 4 minus 2, that is equal to 3 raised to power 2. This will be equal to 3 raised to power 2 can be written as 3 multiply 3. 3 3s are 9. And next here, if a raised to power n and b raised to power n, this is very important identity. A raised to power n into b raised to power n, it can be written as ab whole power n. Ab means a multiply b. Let us take an example. 2 raised to power 3 into 4 raised to power 3, it can be written as 2 multiply 4 ab whole power n. This will be equal to 8 raised to power 3. This will be equal to 512. So you can take many examples and you will solve the questions by taking these important results. Thank you.